What's going on, guys? Arie here, and as you can see, I'm standing up, so we're gonna be talking about some real shit today. You see the title, we're gonna be talking about how to really make money with dropshipping, because I know a lot of people are not talking about this. It's a very simple process. Dropshipping is no rocket science. All you really need to understand is how to drive targeted traffic to a high converting offer. That's as simple as it is if you think about it. Targeted traffic, converting offer equals money signs. Now guys, if you know that that's how simple it is, then why are you still here watching this video? Okay, no, I'm just kidding. Still watch this video. This is very important, but I'm trying to make a point here, guys. Now I'm gonna break this down for you, and it's not gonna be pretty. It's not gonna be something you want to hear, but it's the truth. You hear this stat all the time. I mean, people spill out this stat in every video I've ever seen, basically on YouTube, but about 95% of people fail with their dropshipping stores. Now you want to know the secret to being in the 5% of people that don't? It's the same reason why today, even though my mic was all messed up and I woke up a little bit later than usual, I was not feeling the best in terms of making a video because I'm feeling a little bit sick, but even then I was like, you know what, fuck it, I gotta make a video, I gotta be consistent. That's the same reason why I made it in dropshipping, guys. You have to have above average consistency and perseverance. All you have to do is be a step ahead of those 95% of people. 95% of people will start, they'll be so motivated, they'll be hyped, you know, they're looking at all these YouTube videos, at all these YouTubers just making all this money, and they're like, man, if these dumb young kids are making money, then obviously I can do it too, right? And honestly, that's fine. Like, that's how I got started. I saw some guys making like 3K a day, and I was like, holy shit, I can make $3,000 a day just by making an online store, and that's what got me started. But little did I know it would take me like a full year basically to actually see any sort of success. So yeah, above average consistency and above average perseverance. That's how you're really gonna make money in 2019 dropshipping, guys. And that's why I wanted to simplify this concept for you, because really, once you think about it, it's so simple. Like, it's really so simple. But you have to take accountability for your own store, your own mistakes, your own effort that you're putting in, and knowing that all you need to do is drive targeted traffic to a high converting offer. Now basically it's all on you, right? Just make sure you're following a Facebook ad strategy, you're getting inspiration from other well-designed stores, and continuing to improve your own store to get a higher conversion rate, or to just get those first sales even if you haven't. If you know all these things, then why are you not doing it? But okay, I'll be the devil's advocate for a second. I'm not gonna lie, I used to be that way too. I used to always watch YouTube videos and try to look for a new strategy, thinking that this is all productive. I'm like, man, I'm learning so much, this is so cool. And honestly, there is so much free content on YouTube that I personally think is just so valuable, okay? But the point here is spending more time watching YouTube videos gonna help you drive targeted traffic to a high converting offer? Probably not. The only thing that's gonna help you do that is you taking action. You going out there and running those Facebook ads, running those Instagram influencer shoutouts, Google ads, whatever the hell you're doing. It really does not matter how you drive this targeted traffic. All it matters is that you do it, okay? That's what I'm trying to say here. There's really no magic technical adjustment that you need to make. It's really all on you. You got to continue to test things, continue to improve. I think some of the best knowledge that you can learn is just from analyzing what other successful stores are doing. Straight up, look at just like 100 successful drop shipping video ads. That's how you're gonna master video ads. And then of course try to make some on your own, and then visit 100 sites, 100 of the most successful dropshipping stores. You know how to do it. I have so many videos on how to do it. So just make sure that you do this, guys. I don't want to hear any excuses on 2019. I heard it all 2018, so leave the excuses back in that year. This year is all about taking action, because if you don't, 2019 might be too late. And that's another thing. More and more people are finding out about dropshipping and how innovative of a business model it is, especially for people looking to start a business, right? Prior to dropshipping, the minimum investment to start a business was like 5K to 10K. And you probably needed to go to a bank and get approved for a loan in order to start a business. Now all you need is 500 bucks in an internet connection. How ridiculous is that, right? So please take this video to heart, guys. I'm not trying to yell at you. Obviously, this is all in good faith. I love all of you, and I really want to see every single one of you succeed. I think personally I was blessed to have this YouTube channel because it helped me become the person that I was preaching you guys to become. Even though I already had a lot of those habits and a lot of those things ingrained into my mind, it still pushed me to keep doing it more and more. And today has been a perfect example of that. I could have skipped today and just not made a video and just made my video tomorrow or something, or the next day, whatever it may be, whatever excuse I could tell myself. But I said, nah, we're gonna make it today. We're gonna make this video. We're gonna make it good. We're gonna inspire a bunch of people, and hopefully this video will change some lives. So, and you never know. That's the thing. Sometimes all you need is that click, right? That's why I want to encourage you to watch some YouTube videos from some reputable sources, right? I mean, you guys know what I'm talking about. Like, stop getting clickbaited by Lamborghinis, by all these material things. It's all about knowledge and value, okay? Do your due diligence, guys. I mean, I'm sure a lot of you guys found my channel because you saw some of the value that I was dropping, some of the results I was getting. These are all things that you have to do on your own. I mean, you know, obviously, sure, like I should be posting results for credibility and stuff, but at the end of the day, if somebody's not posting any sort of results and you're getting persuaded to follow this person, it's not the sketchy guru marketer's fault that you bought their course. It's your fault. You should have done the due diligence. You should have been following the right people and whatnot. So hopefully you get my point here. It's all about accountability. It's all about taking action in 2019. Simplify the process and just go for it. But guys, if you want to be on the winning team, you want to follow my journey, I'm building brands 2019. I'm doing crazy stuff. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is like my sanctuary. Those of you that have been watching me for a while, you know this. I share so much on here, and this is basically like my stress reliever at this point. And man, it feels so much better to just stand up and just like tackle the concepts, you know? But yeah, I'm filled with positive energy today, so hopefully I instilled some of that energy into you. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you drop a like on this video. I love when you guys give me likes on the videos. That's how I know you liked it. And of course, drop a comment. But with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
Nike's on my feet, keep my cipher complete like